I don't even want to tell you guys, but I want to tell you. Hey guys, this is Brittney Giselle. Thanks for coming back to my channel. So today's haul is different. It's not fashion, it's not a vlog, it's not what I've been doing. This is different, and for me this is like a total game changer. So today I am unboxing. As you can see, I have quite a few packages here, and I don't even want to tell you guys, but I want to tell you, I finally got me a MacBook, y'all. I got it. I invested in myself and I did it. I went all in. For me, it was like, sis, do you need it? You're doing it on your phone, but I felt like I do need it. I needed to invest in myself. I needed to make a change, add to my equipment. I need to level up. I need to do bigger things. So I have been collecting some items. So my MacBook, it took a little bit longer to get here just because of the storage amount that I wanted on it. But I also have some like accessories that I ordered from Amazon for it, and accessories that I ordered from Apple, like cords to go along with it as well. Yep. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Let's get into it. I'm nervous. I really am. I'm like super nervous. So what are we gonna start with first? Let's start with the MacBook first. All right, so while I'm unboxing this, I'm gonna tell you something about it real quick. So it took me a little while to figure out which MacBook I wanted to order. I posted polls on Facebook and on Instagram trying to get some advice from friends that have MacBooks, just to see, you know, if they could give me any like tips or tricks on how to go about narrowing down my decision. So after a long time of after a long time of like researching, so like waiting on myself, I finally decided I wanted to go an affordable route as well. So I decided to go with the MacBook Air. Oh my God. I can't wait to open it. Just the box. The box is so pretty. Oh my goodness. I need a thumbnail, okay? All right, so I got the MacBook Air. I believe it's the newest generation. That was another thing. I was confused about like the certain specs and stuff like that. So let me see. I got it's in gold, and it is the 16 gig with the storage of 512 gigs. So that's actually what took a little bit longer to get here. All right, so while I'm opening this, I'm gonna continue on my little story. So, you know, I knew I wanted to purchase a MacBook. I didn't know if I wanted to get the Pro. I didn't know if I wanted to get the Air. Eventually, what I ended up hearing the most is that when you compare them, they pretty much do the same thing. And it just depends on the speed. And I'm like, I don't have a laptop at all right now because the other one I had is like out of commission. It's old. So if I'm going to go the more affordable route, let me go with the Air. But I'm going to let y'all in on a little secret. Come closer. If you're going to purchase a MacBook, either purchase it refurbished or on the education site. I did it on the education site, okay? They don't ask you for a student ID number, a student ID. They don't ask you for a student email, none of that. I mean, I'm a freshly, like, I'm not a student anymore, but I was. Either way, get you that discount, okay? Because I'm all for a discount. Y'all should know this by now. Let me shake it. Okay, and then my other insight on that was, or is, I don't know how long this promotion is lasting, but if you purchase any Mac item on the education site, you get a pair of AirPods for free. And you can always upgrade to the AirPods Pro for an extra $90, which your sis did because regular AirPods do not stay in my ear. So I got me a set of AirPods Pro, and you can get them, what's that word? Not embedded. You can get like a name or your name on it or an emoji or something. So I got that done. And I got those, like, that came fast. It came like within like 3 days. That was really, really fast. All right, so this is the bottom of the box. I just flipped it over. Here's my beautiful MacBook. Ah, I'm so excited. It's so pretty. It's like a rose gold kind of, not really gold. So it comes with the box and then the actual charger to put into like the adapter box. And this says designed by Apple in California, so some instructions. I'm gonna go ahead and put that stuff back, and I will set it up later once I'm done recording. But I wanted to go through my other items. So where's that box at? In the bag. So this is the other, these are the other items that I purchased from directly from Apple when I purchased my MacBook and my AirPods. I knew that I would want to transfer data and videos from my iPhone to the MacBook Air. So I went ahead and got this USB-C to USB, so that way I can transfer, I don't know if you can see it, so that way I can go ahead and transfer my videos and pictures, everything. And then I got the USB-C to Lightning. Why did I get this one? No, I mixed them up. Okay, so USB-C to Lightning is so I can transfer stuff from my phone to the MacBook Air. The USB-C to USB is so that I can plug in anything that's USB. So like my USB flash drive, things like that. Sorry, I got them mixed up. I gotta get used to this. This is all new, okay? So I got those. I wanted to make sure I had that prepared and I didn't have to go hunting for them later on. And because I knew it would take a little while before my MacBook got here, I went ahead and started getting my accessories because a girl needs those. I need to keep my stuff protected and, you know, be in style while I'm using it. So, oh my gosh, I'm so happy to use this. I think I'm probably going to be up all night like, trying to figure out how to work it and all that. Like I've used it, MacBooks a little bit before, but honestly, I'm not familiar with them. So this is definitely my new baby, which I need to get used to. So shout out to everybody that helped me, you know, make decisions, narrow down my decisions, that gave me tips, because it was very well appreciated. All right, so some of the stuff I got from Amazon. I went ahead and got a protective case, and it also comes with a carrying case. I don't know, I don't remember how much it costs, but I'll go ahead and I'm going to link everything in the description box. So that way you guys can check it out. Even like the actual MacBook that I got, the cords, I'll make sure I have everything linked. This is really hard to open. That's a good sign, I guess. All right. So I take it everything comes inside of the bag. So this is the carrying case. It has a pouch in the front with a zipper. And then, it has a handle. I forgot about that. So it has a handle so I can carry it. I did, yeah, that's what I wanted. I wanted something with a handle. I didn't want it to just like slip out of my hands. Oh, that's nice and soft. So this is the inside. It has like little flaps here to hold the MacBook in there, which I love. That's good. That's good protection. And it's soft. It's like a suede. And then here goes the protective case. And it comes with like the protection for the keypad. I'm sorry, not the keypad, the keyboard. And like these little dots for the bottom, like to help it like stick to a surface. And also a webcam cover, which I have a couple of those from my last laptop. Oh, I'm excited. Excited. All right, what else did I get from Amazon? So I got myself a wireless mouse. And what color did I get it in? Did I get gold? I think rose gold. So it comes with the mouse. I guess this is a USB cord. And like I didn't even have to get the USB to USB-C because it came with an adapter part. It's little, but that's cool. Well, at least I have two now. I like that. All right, let's see the mouse. And I like it. It's white. And it's like a rose gold color I got. I think it looks more gold on the camera right now, but it's kind of like a rose gold. I love it. Yeah, so I knew I had to have a mouse. And the last item I got was a bunch of charging cords. So we have a lot of devices going on here right now, and I was just like, listen, we've been like fighting over who's getting what, and I need to charge my phone. No, I need to charge my phone. So I said, you know what, let me just order these. They were cheap. They were like $6.88, and it's a 3-pack. Let me see, 1, 2. It's a 4-pack. I think it's 2 long ones, 2 6-foot, and 2 3-foot, I believe is what what I ordered. But I'm gonna go ahead and link those down below so that you guys can know exactly which pack I ordered. And then my last item, which got here today, I ordered it yesterday and it literally came today. I ordered it yesterday, maybe like 10 a.m. and it said it was being delivered the next day. So I said, bet, send it on over. I need that. And so I got myself a mouse pad. Let me open it so you guys can see it. I wanted it to match the case, the protective case. Protective case for my MacBook, but I wanted it to have a little bit of color. I didn't want it to be exactly like black and white marble. So it has some gold in it. And I love that about it. It's not thick, which I also like. It's it's thin. And I thought about getting like the one that you can like rest your arm on it, but those start to bother me after a while. So I really do like this one. I like the gold in it. It's really, really pretty. And it's gonna look so cute with my mouse on top. Yes. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I can't wait. Now, and pictures are coming. Pictures are coming very soon, okay? So guys, that was it. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. I need to open it. I know somebody's gonna say, don't flip it upside down. It's a learning process, okay? I'm still learning. Oh, it's so pretty. It's beautiful. All right, let's open this bad boy up. Holding it the wrong way. Oh, I like this. It comes with a little protector on the screen. Oh my gosh, it turned on right away. I didn't expect that to happen. That's cool. It literally turned on right away. So it looks like it's loading. So yes, guys, that is my haul. I was so excited for this. I could not wait. Let's press English on there. Let's get this baby started. So I could not wait to get this. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. I had to go for it. I'm like, Brittney, just buy the damn MacBook, okay? Just buy it. But I was scared. When it comes to big purchases, I get very nervous and like kind of anxiety. Like, what if it doesn't work out? My mind goes a lot of different ways. But I am glad, and I can't wait to start using it and see how, my creative skills will come out and how I can create different things.
Contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press Command F5 now to turn it on and set up your Mac.
Okay.
If you would like to learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac, press the Escape key.
I'll do that. Thank you, sis. Okay. So, yes, guys, thank you for tuning in to my unboxing. I have a big old mess going on here. But oh my gosh, I'm so happy. If you haven't yet, make sure you go hit that subscribe button, the little notification bell, so that every time I upload, you'll know right away. All right, and go comment and like. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you're gonna go pick some of this up, because I want to know. I'm nosy. I like to know what you're buying too. Okay, just like y'all like to know. I'm so excited. Just like you guys like to know what I buy, I want to know what you buy too. I watch the YouTube videos too. This is how I figure out my life out. But anyways, thanks for staying in. Thanks for watching. I hope you're happy for me. Thank you.